Hello friends, my name is Sumit and I welcome all of you to bisptrainings.com. This is my next video in Jython tutorial series. In this video, I will be going to tell you how can we merge two text files by using simple Jython codes. So I'm going to concatenate basically two files and append the data into one file. So as you can see here, I have got two files named as Word and Word1. So that's the Word, that's the original file which contains few lines. And then we have Word1 file which also contains few of the lines. And my requirement is I would like to merge the content from the Word1 file and copy into or append into Word file. So let's see how can we perform this kind of operation in Jython by using simple codes. So for this, let me switch to Jython first of all. So I'll open command prompt and look for change the directory to the Jython. So cd Jython 2.2.1. I'm using Jython 2.2.1 version and then run Jython interpreter. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open the Word1 file in the read mode. So I'll specify here my underscore file read is equal to open d drive word1 dot txt comma read. Next, I'm going to read the data from this my file read and store into a data into an object. So I create data1 is equal to my underscore file read dot read. And if I simply press a type of command data1, you can see it displays the content from the data1 file, basically that from my file Word text file. And then finally I close this my file read dot close. Don't forget to close the file once you read the data and store into an object. Otherwise there would be a chance that it can store the junk values into your original file. Next, I would like to append the data into Word file. So for that, I'll specify a command my underscore file write is equal to open and open the word.txt in write mode. If we open in a write mode, then we are going to write a new file. We are going to create a new file, but I want to append the data into existing file. So I use append mode. And finally, my underscore file write and data1. Sorry, it should be my file underscore. The command will be my underscore file write. So my underscore file write dot write and data1. So the command executed successfully, and finally I close the file. So my underscore file write dot close and close that. Let's have a look whether the text append in the Word file or not. So for this, we can close this file and open again, and you can see the text has been concatenated. And if you look at both the files, so Word file starts with there is some annexity among those involved with sickle cell service, and if you look at the Word file, that's the content which has been appended into the existing file. So that's the way how we can append the data from one file into another file. Here I have append the content from one file into file 2 from file 1. Similar way we can append both the data, we can append the data from both the files and store into a third file. That we will be going to see in next video how we are going to do that. That's all in this video. If you have any queries, you can write to us on www.bisptrainings.com. If you want to listen more about Jython, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. Keep watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.